Alright, this is a brief description of the Backflush soy pumping platform. We have the controller here for controlling access to the fuel, soy that is. We have the on-off switch for the soy pump. We have a button to control the backflush process. We have the mechanical meter with the preset on it. We have the overfill alarm to hook to the transport. We've got the backflush tank and valves and the filter. So I'll briefly show how you're going to get soy without doing a backflush, and then I'll show you the backflush procedure. This is the fuel site controller. I'm going to type in my access number. It doesn't ask me what product I want to get because there's only one. Now it showed the overfill was not green, so that tells me I didn't hook up my overfill alarm. So we're going to manually turn this, simulating having the transport connected, and I'll try that again. So the soy is now authorized. I can begin fueling, or I could do a backflush. So I'm just going to flip that switch, and it now is activated the soy pump, and it would be counting the gallons if I were getting any. So I could put some in the first compartment. When I'm done with that, I could turn the pump off, but it's still authorized. If I want to hook and do another compartment, I can pump again. So it's going to stay authorized right up until I disconnect my overfill, so I can turn the pump on and off as much as I want. Now if the overfill gets turned off, now it is not authorized anymore and waiting for the next driver. So that's how you get fuel, briefly, if you're not going to backflush. If you are going to backflush, the process starts out the same. I'm going to go green on my overfill, put in my number. It's authorized, and as you can see, I have an option of pressing the backflush. So I'm going to press the backflush button. When I do that, the correct valves will open, the vent will stay open until that tank is full. So as you can see, it shows on the screen that it is filling that tank, and the top float will trip, and now you can see that it has recognized the tank is full. Now what I would do as a driver would be pump my soy. So now you can see it's pumping soy, and it knows there's diesel in that tank. When I'm done getting my soy, I can turn that off, and now it gives me an option of pressing the backflush button again, and this time it's going to push that diesel back into my truck. So yeah, the floats weren't in the right position, but it's done backflushing at this point. Please wait, it says. Okay, so now it's done with the backflush, but that's a brief rundown. So again, it's going to keep it authorized for the entire process of a multi-compartment backflush load until you disconnect the overfill alarm. At that point it will deauthorize it and go back asking for an operator number. That's a brief rundown. I hope it makes sense. I know it's complicated. Thank you.